presenting a pre-owned 2015 Acura. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 5-speed shiftable transmission. This Acura has less than 93,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.